Number 2. Nemo Hornet Elite Osmo 2P. Choosing the right tent can make or break your outdoor adventure. Enter the Nemo Hornet Elite Osmo 2P, your new favorite ultralight tent. Weighing just over 2 pounds, this is the lightest semi-freestanding tent with dual doors and vestibules you'll find. Setting it up is a breeze, even on rocky terrain where stakes aren't an option. Staking it does give you more space inside though. 2 inside pockets and a headlamp diffuser overhead pocket keep your gear organized. The dedicated pole ensures stability. Nemo didn't skimp on features to keep the weight down. That attention to detail makes this tent a standout. Plus, it scores high in our Best Ultralight Tents guide. And Treeline review editor Liz Thomas is a fan. This tent's design rocks. It's roomy inside despite being ultralight. Easy setup and teardown save you time. Dual vestibules provide storage without crowding your sleeping area. There are a couple of things to note. The ultralight materials mean you'll have to handle it with care. And in heavy rain, you may find more condensation inside. The Nemo Hornet Elite Osmo 2P earns its spot as the best lightweight backpacking tent. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.